Welcome to this session on understanding credit and contact hours. This session is important for students because credit hours impact students in a number of ways, most notably financial aid and tuition charges. In this session, we will discuss the difference between class hours, lab hours, work experience/clinical hours, and credit hours. Since MCC is one of the 58 community colleges in the North Carolina Community College system, all courses offered are part of the combined course library. As a result, all courses, numbering, and descriptions are the same at each of the 58 community colleges. You can access the combined course library by going to ncommunitycolleges.edu. Click on Students, Combined Course Library, and then Student Search. Click on Combined Course Library Search, then select Academic Level. In this example, we will look for ACA 115 under Curriculum. Click on the subject and select the course prefix that you are interested in. In this example, we're looking for ACA 115, so we will click on ACA and Submit. You will see all of the ACA courses listed. Click on ACA 115. Now you see the hours associated with the course. For ACA 115, there are 0 class hours, 2 lab hours, 0 work hours, and 1 credit hour. You will also see the course description listed below, as well as any state prerequisites. Let's look at the medical assisting curriculum at MCC as an example. Here you will see all of the required courses for the AAS in medical assisting at MCC. You will note the course as well as the class hours, lab hours, work experience/clinical hours, and credit hours for each of the courses in the program. We will review several of these courses to learn more about credit and contact hours. Under fall semester first year, you will see Biology 165. Notice that there are 3 class hours, 3 lab hours, and 4 credit hours. For this class, you will be in class for 3 hours, which consist of lectures or discussions on the topic. You will also be in lab for 3 hours. Labs generally consist of hands-on activities that promote learning. In biology, you are likely to work with microscopes and dissect specimen as part of the class. You will notice that for this class, you receive a total of 4 credit hours for the course. In this example, this equates to 3 credit hours coming from your 3 class hours and 1 credit hour coming from your 3 lab hours. You will find that it takes more lab hours to equal a credit hour than it does a class hour. Next, look at MED 118 under fall semester first year. Notice this class has 2 class hours and 2 credit hours and does not contain any lab or work experience. Now look at MED 260 under spring semester second year. Notice for your MED clinical practicum, you have 15 clinical hours and you will receive 5 credit hours. In this class, you will spend 15 hours per week in a clinical setting and receive 5 credit hours. Academic load is only determined by credit hours. If a student has to take a specified number of hours to qualify for a scholarship or some other type of financial aid, it will be based on credit hours. Credit hours are also used in calculating GPA, which will be covered in another session. I encourage you to review the courses in your program to learn more about the required credit and contact hours you will need to complete your degree at MCC.